Apple has barely finished the iPhone 17 cycle, but attention is already shifting to what could be one of the biggest changes in iPhone history. The iPhone 18 is shaping up to be more than just another yearly upgrade. Based on growing leaks and reports, Apple may be preparing a major reset in how it launches, designs, and positions its most important product. For over a decade, Apple has followed a very predictable rhythm. New iPhones arrive every September, year after year. That consistency has trained customers, carriers, and the entire tech industry to expect the same schedule. That's why recent reports suggesting a very different timeline for the iPhone 18 have caused so much confusion and excitement. According to one report shared by 9to5Mac, Apple could be planning a split launch strategy. In this scenario, the standard iPhone 18 would launch in spring 2026, possibly alongside a more affordable model like the iPhone 17. The higher-end iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max would still arrive in September 2026, keeping the fall launch focused on premium devices. This idea fits with other rumors that Apple wants to separate its base models from its Pro lineup. Doing so would give each product more attention and reduce overcrowding at a single launch event. It would also give Apple more flexibility if it plans to introduce new categories, like a foldable iPhone. However, not everyone agrees with this interpretation. Another reading of the same supply chain report suggests the opposite. Instead of launching earlier, the standard iPhone 18 might actually be delayed until spring 2027. In that case, Apple would release the iPhone 18 Pro, Pro Max, and possibly a foldable iPhone in fall 2026, then follow up months later with the regular iPhone 18 and a cheaper iPhone 18. The confusion comes from wording around mass production testing. The report says the iPhone 18 series will begin production line testing shortly after New Year's Day and could enter production before the Spring Festival in February. While that sounds like an early launch, production testing does not always mean a phone is close to release. Apple often starts testing far in advance. No matter which timeline turns out to be true, one thing feels increasingly certain. Apple is preparing to change how it launches iPhones. A split release would allow Apple to better target different audiences, premium buyers in the fall and more price-conscious customers in the spring. Beyond timing, the iPhone 18 lineup itself is expected to bring meaningful upgrades. The Pro models are rumored to feature variable aperture cameras. This would allow the camera to physically control how much light enters the lens, improving low-light photos and giving users more creative control over background blur. It's a feature photographers have wanted on iPhones for years. Design changes are expected to be subtle rather than dramatic. The base iPhone 18 may get a smaller camera bump, while the Pro models keep their wide camera plateau. New color options are also rumored, including burgundy, purple, and a coffee brown shade. That would be a noticeable shift from Apple's usual conservative colors. Another big change could come to the front of the phone. The dynamic island may shrink or even disappear on Pro models. Under-screen Face ID is rumored to finally arrive, paired with a small hole punch or a relocated selfie camera. Apple has been cautious with this technology, but if it's ready, the iPhone 18 could be the device that debuts it. Inside, the iPhone 18 is expected to run on Apple's A20 chip, built using a new manufacturing process that should improve both performance and power efficiency. Connectivity could also improve thanks to Apple's next-generation C2 modem and expanded satellite features beyond emergency use. The biggest wildcard, however, is the foldable iPhone. Expected around fall 2026, Apple's first foldable could launch alongside the iPhone 18 Pro models. It's rumored to use a book-style design with a compact outer display and a large inner screen. Apple is reportedly focused on eliminating the visible crease seen on other foldables, even if that drives up the cost. Prices could range from $1,800 to $2,500. With the iPhone approaching its 20th anniversary, Apple faces stronger competition than ever. Samsung still leads globally, and Chinese brands like Xiaomi are pushing hard with aggressive pricing and hardware innovation. The iPhone 18 may be Apple's chance to reset the game and remind the world why the iPhone still matters.